Welcome back for another episode of Strive for 25. Joel Farrell here, and looking forward to sharing with you our guest
Strive
today.
25, Joel Farrell here, and we have a very special guest, dear to my heart, who's part of this project. I'm happy to present Liz Armstrong.
Hi, I'm Liz. I own a small social media marketing business named Seabright Social. So I help small businesses expand their social media platforms and make it look nice and eye appealing and bring attraction to the pages.
So if you're going to tell a prospective client, this is the thing that you need to know and understand in terms of expectations, what is the one thing that person needs to know in terms of how this all works, in terms of getting your brand out there, using social media? What does that person need to know?
That it takes consistency. It's not something that you can just do every once in a while. You need to actively work on it really every day. That's what I'm for, so that I can work on it for you every day while you continue to grow your business so that the platform also grows. Like I said, it's not something you can just do one time and then expect to go viral. It's not how it works. You have to consistently work at it and constantly improve, and people like me follow the trends, what's going to be trending next, where we're headed, and it's our job to work together so that we can implement that together and make it happen.
So what will be an example of a success after 4 months, 6 months, 1 year, whatever that time frame ends up being? What type of data or tangible things can be seen when these projects go in the right direction and you have that success? What does it look like for that client?
So I do have some people where I'm at a year with them. They are over 1,000 followers, and that's just kind of like not even max work, just medium work, just putting the content out there, engaging with people, sharing, they're sharing, I'm sharing, their friends are sharing. I think, on average, it takes 6 to 9 months for a platform to grow from complete nothing to at least something. We all wish for that one viral video, and while it may happen, it's that one viral video isn't going to take you very far. It's only going to take you far for a short amount of time. It's what you continuously do that's going to make you go far.
So in one of our past conversations, in terms of creating a message and tailoring it to that person, obviously every client, every industry is going to be a little bit different in what the actual message is. So, we're talking about consistency, the time frame. It's going to take, months, maybe even a year to be able to get that traction. What other advice would you give to a prospective business owner in terms of really wanting to go down this path and have that success? What else do they need to be doing along the way? You've mentioned consistently, but what does that person need to be doing while you're doing your thing? What's that business owner need to be doing?
Talk about yourself 24/7. Make it a goal everywhere you go. Hand out a business card, tell someone about your product, tell someone about your service, tell them about what you do. I know for a fact that's what I do, whether it's telling someone about myself or telling someone about a client of mine. Hey, do you need finance? Use this person. Do you need social media? I do social media marketing. That's kind of how I introduce myself to everybody. Hi, I'm Liz. I own a small social media marketing company. And people are like, oh, okay. But talk about yourself, tell your friends, ask your friends to share, because, all it takes is a friend and a friend to see something, and you now have 2 new followers, or you have 2 new people following you and looking at what you're doing. So I would definitely say, talk about yourself, tell your friends, mingle, go to community events. I know everywhere I go, even my friends, they're like, Liz, I have your business cards. I'm like, thank you. Like everywhere if we're going out to dinner or we're going to the nail salon, I can assure you that someone I'm with has my business card, and I have them as well. And I make it a point to hand one out everywhere I go.
That's awesome advice. Awesome advice. So if people want to find you, how do they find you?
You can find me on Instagram or Facebook under Seabright Social. I like Instagram more.
You gotta
so
spell that. You gotta spell that for me. I can't spell. You gotta spell it for me.
SEABRIGHT Social.
Beautiful.
LLC.
Boom. Boom. Business owner, Elizabeth Armstrong in Florida. Amazing at what she does. Reach out to her today or tomorrow, whenever you feel right. And thank you so much for your time.
Let's get it done.
Awesome. Bye.
Good.